Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. My name is Nic Clark, and today we're doing an update of this property. We're a bit further on the refurbishment now, so let's jump inside and see exactly what's been done. Okay, so we've got quite a bit of update on this property. So the last time, if you guys haven't seen it before, just click up here. You can actually see what it looked like before we actually started on this. So we've taken everything out to a shell, so if you haven't remembered that, just make sure you go and have a watch. But what we have done is obviously we've got all the floor joists in here. Now we're using C24 joist, and we literally trebling it up so it gives the strength that we need to one, keep the building that way, and also the weight of that floor on there as well. So what you'll notice as well, what we have done, just like in previous properties, we've kind of put all these wooden frames up here. Still got the foam to go on behind here as well. Still got a lot of wood that on site that we've still got to use. So obviously we'll buy this in bulk to ensure that we get the best price possible. But in the center of the property, we will be actually having the stairs. If you actually want to see what this looks like when it's done, we've got a property that we're converting next door that we're a couple of weeks ahead of, and those stairs are completely finished. So make sure you click up here and you can actually have a look at that and see how that all works from there as well. So that's pretty much what's been done in this property so far. We can't actually get upstairs at the moment because we don't have any ladders to get up there. So we can't really show up there, but we'll show that in future videos. So we're still at the rear of the property at the moment. What we are doing is we actually, we've just ordered the steel so we can open this up, and we're extending to the rear of the property here as well. So we've still got the foundations getting dug. Those are going to be dug fairly soon as well, okay? But that's pretty much it for this week's Refurb Wednesdays. If you guys want to profit from UK property, then head to jenicproperty.com, where you can book in a free call with one of our team. We'd love to actually see how we can help you profit from UK property, one property at a time, so you can start redefining your retirement, and we can help you along that journey. If you guys actually want to follow us, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well, so you can get more updates on this property and others that we're doing every single week on Refurb Wednesdays.